Well, my name is Andy Tylka, owner of Tag Auto Group. I have 14 locations in Indiana, and so family owned and operated. We've been in business since 1983, so I am second generation. We have a mixture of three brands, so we scatter throughout Indiana. You know, it was amazing to be introduced to KECO. I was introduced to KECO on accident because I always saw people at these conferences, but I had no clue that they were KECO employees. And what was fantastic about it was I never saw them selling the product to people. They were just there to support the industry. And so on accident, I started having conversation with one of them and realized that they were in glue pulling and realized that was a perfect solution for us. And I know there was other products out there. I wanted to support the product that not only was the best in the industry, but also supported the industry. It didn't take long to decide to buy 14 units and getting them in our shops. And I was really thinking I was about to set myself up for something that was too good to be true. Because I would see everything online, see the ease of use, and I was amazed at how easy it was to get 14 locations on and trained, because the product kind of sold itself. And the training videos, the hands-on training, everybody caught on really quick. And that kind of moves towards our apprenticeship program. In the past years, we put a lot of time into our apprenticeship program. And we have a curriculum, we have stages, and we had stages for the metalwork. And usually that was way far into their apprenticeship program. And when we got KECO involved, we actually noticed that our apprenticeships grabbed onto KECO and the skill of KECO much faster than our actual senior technicians. And I feel like that was because they didn't have anything to know in the past. They weren't doing metalwork in the past, so they were looking for the easiest solution to repair dents. And so when they were exposed to the KECO system, they repaired dents a lot faster and learned it a lot faster than metalwork. So we actually have moved the dent repair in the curriculum a lot sooner of when they first start out, because they grasp onto it a lot faster. And I can't believe how fast they go through the 2, 3 hour, 4 hour dents curriculum with this KECO system instead of doing the metalwork conventionally. So it's definitely helped, and we see that help grow our technicians. And I feel like KECO is even that huge part of that a solution to the technician shortage, because it's so much, to me, it's so much easier teaching an apprentice glue pulling than it is to teach them conventional repair with sanding and body filler and metalwork. So I do applaud, and I think KECO sees that solution as well within them of solving the technician shortage. And I appreciate all the units that KECO donates to the schools. I didn't realize that until I was involved nationally and saw that KECO was giving away, I think once a quarter at a certain conference, 2 KECO systems to the local schools, every single conference. And that amazes me, and that tells me that KECO is investing in the technicians' futures and this industry's future. I am 100% here to support KECO with how fantastic they've transitioned into this industry and helped this industry out.